Andy, call the chickens.
Call them.
Where are we going now?
Whoa.
Whoa. Unsteady ground.
Hey, Andy. Go get one of those little pumpkins. The little pumpkins? Go get one. The one. That's the one you picked out.
That's the one?
What about one of these little ones over here? Look. Look at one of those little ones. What?
Ball balls.
Look at the ball balls.
Look at them all.
Pick one out.
We're waiting for Mr. Pig to wake up. He's a big old pot-bellied pig. That's dirt. Dancing?